CNC Engraving Machine. CNC Engraving Machine Parallel Port Mach 3 Control Mini CNC Router 6091.5 kW with Linear Rail Guide Lathe Woodworking Machine. Item Specifics. Condition New. Model number CNC 6090 liters 1.5 kW 3-axis. CNC or not dimension: 900 x 1200 600 mm. Engraving area: 600 x 900 mm. Z-axis stroke 120 mm. Engraving depth depends on the length of the tool edge. Spindle motor: 1.5 kW VFD water cooling spindle. 02400R/min communication interface parallel port. Technical parameters: LY69DL 1.5 kW 3-axis engraving machine parameters. Machine dimensions: 900 x 1200 600 mm. Rack material: 6061 and 6063 hard aluminum alloy. Table size: 641,080 mm, 20 mm aluminum alloy T-table. Engraving area: 600-900 mm. Z-axis stroke: 120 mm. Engraving depth depends on the length of the tool edge. Rail type: linear guide rail, more precise moving. Type of screw: ball screw 1605. Spindle motor: 1.5 kW VFD water cooling spindle, 02400R per minute. Collet type: ER11, 1/8, 3.175 mm, and 6 mm collet. Step promoter and drive. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.